What's up, everybody? This is the BXPR collector. I got here one of these Marvel boxes, so it's gonna be a pretty quick video. This is just one, and I'm gonna see what we got in it. I stopped collecting pops, but there's Venom, so, and Fantastic Four. So let's see. I'm gonna open it facing away from me, so like that. I don't know what's in it. Yeah. Okay. So what's first? First thing out, it's venomized Galactus. Oh yeah, I paid $12 for this because it was $5 off, and they're going for like $18 now. So, anyways, the venomized Galactus keychain. The sticker. I'll take out the pop here, but I'm gonna get to it. And the pop is Venomized Invisible Woman. All right. It's not bad looking. Yeah, a little mess over there is Ninja Turtle I just got. But anyways, and I guess the last thing is the Pez. The venomized Dr. Doom. And the pin. Thanos venomized, I guess. This is not bad. $12. So it's a short video, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.